Hello once again. Thank you for stopping by. If you watch this video here, this is a 43rd video called PEMF to B circuit. I have the circuit for it, the diagram, wiring diagram for it. And so if you go and look under below the video, you'll have a link here. And if you click the link, you'll open the PEMF circuit here. So I just wanna show you that it's available and you can look at it here. Also, this image is available to download off of my website. If you go to bbmpulsar.org, you will have this link to download this schematic. Alright guys, thank you for stopping by, thank you for liking and viewing and sharing my videos, and I'll see you in the next one.